If you want to turn off two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, follow these steps carefully. Keep in mind that disabling this feature may reduce the security of your account. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Make sure you are using a trusted device or browser. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Here, you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Confirm your decision. After selecting to turn off two-factor authentication, you will need to confirm your choice. Read any warnings about the implications of disabling this feature and proceed if you still wish to continue. Step 5. Update your account information. Once two-factor authentication is disabled, review and update your account information as needed. Ensure that your security questions and recovery options are set up to help protect your account. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Apple ID. Remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.